It's math. It's math. M-A-T-H. Woo! It's math.
It's math. It's math. M-A-T-H. Woo! It's math.
Good day, first graders. Today we have a special and super fun game about money. Now today we are going to estimate. Say estimate. Say estimate. Estimate is a close guess of the actual value, usually based on some thought or rough calculation, to make an approximate or rough count, measurement, or calculation. Say, woo, that's long. You, me, Mr. Groom, I have a kid-friendly definition of estimate. Say estimate. Now, to estimate is to take a smart, thoughtful guess. A smart, thoughtful guess. So you're not going to guess out of thin air. You're going to guess based on the information you already have in your brain. For this lesson, the only materials that you need is your brain. Use your brain and pay attention as we work through our mission of estimation. Please close your eyes. Stop peeking. Close your eyes. Stop peeking. Close your eyes. Nice. Keep them closed. Now imagine you have a nickel and 2 pennies. A nickel and 2 pennies. How much money is that altogether? Now we know a nickel is 5 cents and a penny is worth 1 cent. That means we have 1 nickel worth a total of 5 cents plus 2 pennies worth a total of 2 cents. Let's count this nickel and 2 pennies. 5, 6, 7. A nickel and 2 pennies make 7 cents. That would match the equation 5 plus 1 plus 1. If you got 7 cents, kiss your brain.
This coin is of the greatest of value. Upon the penny, one can make the wish, which is then granted by the power of the first and only genie president of the United States.
Take a look at this jar of pennies. Think quietly, and let's take our first estimate. How many pennies do you believe are in this jar? How many pennies do you believe are in this jar? Now remember, an estimate is a guess based on the knowledge we already have in our brain. So try to get the number as close to what it looks like in this picture. When I count to 3, you're going to yell out what your estimate is for the amount of pennies in this jar. 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look at some of the estimates that first graders all around the school had estimated. Now let's play a quick game. In this quick game, I'm going to give you clues or a riddle, and you have to guess which number on our guessing board I am talking about. I'm going to give you clues or a riddle, and you will tell me which number on our estimate board I am talking about. I have a challenge. Bring it on.
I have a challenge. Bring it on.
Your first clue. Here it is. This number is one more than 74. This number is one more than 74. Please pause the video and guess the number. One more than 74 is 75. Good job. This number has 6 tens and 9 ones. This number has 6 tens and 9 ones. Pause the video and figure out what number has 6 tens and 9 ones. 68, 69. If you guessed 69, you were correct. This number has 6 tens and 0 ones. 6 tens and 0 ones. What number do you think it is? 60. 59, 60. If you got 60, you were correct. This number is one more than 19. This number is one more than 19. You may pause the video and find the number that is one more than 19. One more than 19 is 20. 19, 20. 19, 20. If you got 20, you were correct. This number is one more than 56. This number is one more than 56. You may pause the video and figure out what number is one more than 56. One more than 56 is 57. If you got 57, you were correct. This number is one more than 99. This number is one more than 99. How'd you know it was 100 already? One more than 99 is 100.
I have a challenge. Bring it on.
This number is one more than 399,999,999. What number is that? Ha ha! Yes, that number is 400 million. That estimate might be a little too much for the amount of pennies in this jar. Let's take some time to count and find the accurate answer. Bum bum. Now we will try to figure out how many pennies are actually in this big jar. Take a look. I separated the pennies into different cups. After I put the pennies into different cups, I traded out 10 pennies for a dime. Now I have a dime in each cup. We know a dime is worth 10 cents. Your job is to count how much money we have all together. What are you going to count by? Let's see if you figure it out. 10 cents. 20 cents. 30 cents.
40 cents. 50 cents. 60 cents. 70 cents. 80 cents. 90 cents. Down here, I'm going to write on this side.
100 cents. 10 cents. 110 cents. I'm sorry. And last we have 120 cents. Now we know that 100 cents is equal to $1. So that means 120 cents equals $1.20. So we can trade everything here at the bottom for $1.10, 20 cents. As you can see, everything at the bottom, what was 120 pennies, we turned it into 12 dimes, and then we turned it into $1.20. We took 120 pennies, converted it into 12 dimes, and then took the 12 dimes and converted it into $1.20.
Boom, boom. Money coming in, money coming in. Me and baby sis. Me and baby sis hang out all night. Movies, movies, watch movies all night. Movies, movies, watch movies all night.